The JCB 35ZHD is the latest addition to JCB's new generation mini excavators and is the ideal choice for work in confined areas and job sites with restricted access while delivering high performance. Its zero tail swing configuration offers trouble-free maneuverability, especially in confined spaces, because its rear overhang outside the tracks is eliminated. It provides higher fuel efficiency and better productivity to its customers, delivering superior performance at all times. JCB 35ZHD Mini Excavator. There's nothing mini about it.